Hey guys, it's me, Miss Mills, and welcome to the very first review video that I'm going to make. If you are watching this video, that means you need help with the blue part right here, which is determining the slope of a graph if it is to figure out if it's positive, negative, zero slope, or undefined. I'm going to make this video as quick as possible and then use it to help you out in a lot of your assignments as well as your notes. And if you still need help with determining if a graph is positive, negative, zero slope, or undefined, remember to show up to one of my Zoom calls from they're going to be from 10 to 12 every single day. Just show up and we will figure this out together. All right, so let's get started real quick. So when I'm talking about slope, I'm talking about graphs in particular. So this is what a graph would look like. And there's always going to be that line on the graph. And you need to know, is it negative or is it positive? Or is it undefined? Or is it a zero slope? Because whenever you're trying to find the slope, if you think this is a negative line, but you got a positive slope, it's not going to add up. So you need to be very, very careful when you are identifying these. So a positive slope is, first of all, you're going to read your graph from left to right, okay? So a positive slope is going to look like this, okay? If you had a little man on the left-hand side and he was walking to the right, he would be walking uphill. Therefore, this is a positive slope, okay? Be very careful with these as well, because positive slopes can also be very, very tall like that, or they can be very long like that. It doesn't matter. Those are all examples of positive slopes, okay? So let's think about a negative slope. Well, again, we're going to have a man on the left-hand side, and he is going to be walking to the left. If he's walking to the left and he's going downhill, that means it's going to be a negative slope. Because again, you read a graph from left to right. Walking downhill, that is going to be a negative slope. Okay? So if you see a line like this, and you try to find the slope of the graph, and you get a positive slope, it's probably not going to be correct, and you might need to go back and look at it again. Okay, there's two more. One is going to be a horizontal line, just like this. Okay, that's a horizontal line. When you see a horizontal line like this, that means it's going to be known as a zero slope. Okay, you need to know the difference between a zero slope and an undefined slope because that will be on your test. So remember, a horizontal line is zero slope. And the very, very last one is a vertical line, just like that. And that is going to be known as undefined, an undefined slope. Okay? So again, horizontal line is a zero slope. A vertical line is an undefined slope. If you have a man on the left-hand side and he's walking uphill when he walks to the left, or when he walks to the right, that is a positive slope. If you have a man on the left-hand side and he's walking to the right and he's walking downhill or falling downhill, that is also going to be a negative slope. Horizontal slope, a guy's just walking on a straight path, zero slope, horizontal slope, whatever. And if a guy can't even walk on it and it's a vertical line, it is an undefined slope. Guys, if you have any questions, make sure to contact me. I'll see you later. Bye.